Hello, in front of me I've got iPhone 15. In this video I'll show you how to use Siri on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now enter Siri and search. Now select listen for and select between Siri or Hey Siri and only Hey Siri. Continue and setup. Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Siri, play some music. Tap done, go back, and now enable Allow Siri when locked. Now you can simply lock the screen and say, Hey Siri, what's the weather tomorrow? Hey Siri, what's the weather tomorrow?
Expect cloudy skies tomorrow. Daytime temperatures will hover around 19 degrees, with overnight lows around 13.
And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.